What makes a car more than just a machine? Why is it that when a Porsche 911 drives by, even people who don't care about cars stop to look? It's not just the speed, and it's certainly not just the price tag. There is a deep psychological and mechanical reason why Porsche has become arguably the most loved automotive brand in history. In an era where most cars are becoming appliances on wheels, Porsche remains an experience. Today, we're going deep into the data, the engineering, and the soul of Zuffenhausen to answer the ultimate question: why do the people love Porsche? If you buy a Ferrari, you're buying a weekend. If you buy a Lamborghini, you're buying a spectacle. But if you buy a Porsche, you're buying a partner. This is the first pillar of the brand's love: usability. For decades, Porsche has championed the concept of the everyday supercar. While other high-performance machines are fragile, notoriously difficult to see out of, and terrified of a rainy Tuesday, Porsche builds cars meant to be driven. According to S&P Global Mobility 2026 data, the Porsche 911 has the highest daily use mileage of any car in the supercar category. Owners love that they can take a 911 Carrera to the grocery store, fit 2 small kids in the back, or at least some shopping bags, and then take the long way home through a mountain pass without the car overheating or the suspension breaking their back. This reliability isn't just a marketing claim. J.D. Power's 2025 and 2026 U.S. appeal studies consistently rank Porsche as the #1 premium brand for emotional attachment and owner excitement, largely because the cars actually work when you need them to.
Porsche is famously stubborn. Since 1963, the silhouette of the 911 hasn't fundamentally changed. While other brands jump on every new design trend, Porsche practices incrementalism. They don't reinvent the wheel, they just make the wheel better every single year. Consider the engine placement. Physically speaking, putting a heavy engine behind the rear axle, as the 911 does, is a terrible idea for balance. It's like a pendulum that wants to swing out during a turn. But instead of giving up and moving it to the middle, Porsche engineers spent 60 years using physics to defy physics. By 2026, the new T-hybrid systems in the 911 GTS have reached such a level of mastery that they out-handle mid-engined competitors. This creates a sense of continuity. When you buy a Porsche, you aren't just buying a new car, you are buying the finished version of every Porsche that came before it. It's the ultimate expression of the German philosophy Vorsprung durch Technik, progress through technology. Porsche has mastered the psychology of aspiration better than any other luxury brand. They have created what enthusiasts call the Porsche ladder. It usually starts with a dream, but the reality is often a used Boxster or a Macan, the SUV that handles like a sports car. From there, you move to a Cayenne, then maybe a Taycan for your electric fix, and eventually the holy grail, the 911 GT3. The data back this up. IC Cars 2026 reports show that the Porsche 911 retains a staggering 92.2% of its value after 5 years, the best in the industry. In many cases, limited models like the GT3 or the ST actually appreciate in value. This makes a Porsche one of the few luxury purchases that can be justified as a smart financial move. It's a guilt-free entry into high performance. People love Porsche because the brand respects the owner's bank account as much as their driving skills.
You cannot talk about the love for Porsche without talking about motorsport. Porsche doesn't just race for marketing, they race to learn. With over 30,000 race wins and a record 19 overall victories at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, Porsche is the most successful manufacturer in racing history. But here is why the fans love it: technology transfer. The PDK transmission, widely considered the best gearbox in the world, was born in the Porsche 962 race car. Turbocharging was refined in the 917 Can-Am cars before it hit the street in the legendary 930 Turbo. The 2026 T-hybrid system in the new 911 is a direct descendant of the hybrid tech used in the Le Mans winning 919 hybrid. Every time a Porsche owner turns that left side ignition, a quirk designed so Le Mans drivers could start the car while jumping in, they are participating in a winning legacy. It's an authentic connection to history that no amount of lifestyle branding can fake. There is a statistic that defines the brand. More than 70% of all Porsches ever built are still on the road today. Think about that. In a world of disposable electronics and cars that last a decade, Porsche builds machines designed to be heirloom items. This creates a massive secondary market of air-cooled enthusiasts and vintage collectors. People love Porsche because they know if they take care of it, the car will take care of them. It's a brand built on the promise of longevity. Finally, the love for Porsche is sustained by the people. The Porsche Club of America, PCA, is the largest single-brand car club in the world, and in 2026, independent communities like Luftgefühl and FAT International are reaching record attendance. There's a famous saying among members, it's not just the cars, it's the people. When you buy a Porsche, you aren't just buying a vehicle, you're buying a ticket into a global tribe. Whether it's a cars and coffee on a Sunday morning or a track day on a Friday afternoon, Porsche owners share a specific mindset. They value precision over flash. They value driving over posing. While a Ferrari might scream, "Look at me," a Porsche says, "Follow me."
People love Porsche because it is the ultimate expression of functional art. It is a machine that serves two masters, the cold, hard data of lap times and reliability, and the warm, irrational emotion of a sunset drive. It is a brand that respects its past enough to keep the same silhouette for 60 years, but respects the future enough to build the most capable electric and hybrid sports cars on the planet. It's the car you can drive to the office, the car you can take to the track, and the car you can keep for 40 years until you pass the keys to your children. And in an ever-changing world, that kind of consistency is why the world's love for Porsche will never run out of road.